Imagine living in subdivision like this, where it's nice and peaceful, beautiful surroundings, you got lots of greeneries. Your house a view of Mount Makiling, Laguna de Bay, and Tagaytay Ridge. And another good news, we offer no spot down payment, low monthly amortization, and 0% interest. Given the fact that Nuvali is located in Santa Rosa, Laguna, is now a premium location. Watch this video to find out more. Abida morning everyone, this is Gail Trinidad, your Abida Realtor, presenting you Nuvali Property. Andito tayo ngayon sa one of our newest community here in Nuvali, which is Cristela Estates Nuvali. This is 13.5 hectares in size. The saleable area, that's around 7.3 hectares. Imagine, the rest of that is allocated na for the amenities, open spaces, parks, and roads po. And now, you have a recipe for your dream home here in Nuvali. And if you're interested, make sure you watch a full video tour, and welcome to Cristela Estates Nuvali. Alam kong excited na kayo and samahan nyo ako sa quick drive tour para mapamiliarize kayo along the road papunta dito sa Cristela and mapakita ko sa inyo yung mga future and existing development na madadaanan po natin. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Dito po tayo mag-start sa kilalang logo ni Nuvali, which is located siya sa harap ni Nuvali North. And ang location po niya is along Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road. If galing po ng Manila, pasok lang po tayo sa SLEX exit, Tumamplasan going to Calax. Then exit tayo ng Laguna Boulevard and soon magkakaroon tayo ng sariling exit, which is Nuvali exit. Now, we are here in Nuvali, the largest mixed-use development of Ayala land in the Philippines, composed of 2,500 hectares. It is twice the size of Makati City and 10 times the size of BGC. By the way, we have 4 segments, which is Nuvali North, Nuvali Central, Nuvali South, and Nuvali Heights. So right now, we are here at Nuvali North, which is dito natin makikita yung mga establishments like malls. We have Solenad 1, 2, and 3. And in the future, magkakaroon din po tayo ng Solenad 4. Yung man-made lake, which is isa to sa mga tourist spot ni Nuvali na pwede tayo magpakain ng koi fish. Then, Seda Hotels, Landers, SNR, Uniqlo, one of the stand-alone Uniqlo in the Philippines with own green parks na pwedeng pagstayan. 700 branch in the Philippines, which is McDonald Nuvali. Meron din po tayong Techno Hub na magkakaroon tayo na another opportunity lalo na sa mga BPO worker and ongoing na din po yung construction natin dito. We have Ayala Brand Hospital here in Nuvali North, which is the Healthway Qualimed Hospital po. Now, at my left side, this is East Block, that's 11.7 hectares. This is one of the pocket business district in Nuvali. So, yung mga ilalagay dito is purely commercial space. In our right side naman, this is the Nuvali North Central Business District, wherein yung gagawin naman dito is our future BGC of Nuvali. So in the future, napakadami opportunities na i-open, lalo na dito na hindi na need pa pumunta ng Manila para maghanap pa ng trabaho. This is the rotonda going to our project. Bigyan ko lang po kayo ng idea. Yung first exit natin dito is papuntang Casili Road, which is shortcut po natin to going to Tagaytay. Then pasok na po tayo ng second exit. Welcome to Central Block. As you can see, meron tayong outpost dito and sa mga ibang pang area around Nuvali. So, Nuvali State Security, sila yung mga guards natin na nagmo-monitor ng security natin around the area. In my right side naman, this is the Central Block, 11 hectares in size, which is gagawin din siyang purely commercial space. And isa po sa ginagawa dito is yung Mary Mart and the shops po. So dun pa lang makikita na natin kung gaano ka-convenient yung mga resident natin dito, lalo na sa mga Nuvali Central resident po. Ang gagawin sa kanya, parang Alabang Town Center, isa siyang high-end commercial inside the high-end residential community. So imagine, hindi na need pa pumunta ng Soledad Mall para mag-grocery or mag-shopping dahil meron tayong sariling commercial dito sa area na to. And possible din magkaroon ng mga banks, additional schools, corporate offices, mga restaurant which is walking distance. This road po is going right. Papunta po siyang Solara Park, Stories Nuvali, the newly launched pet-friendly condominium in Nuvali, and soon maglalabas po ako ng video nito para dito sa project. If sa iba na mas prefer yung condominium, pwede nyo po akong kontakin para mabigyan ko po kayo ng details sa project po natin dito. This is Rockwell South. So, baka nagtataka kayo bakit may Rockwell sa loob ni Nuvali. Literally, hindi siya inside Nuvali, pero yung last part na nabili ni Rockwell, yung property, is nakahiga along Nuvali Boulevard. So, good thing, magkakaroon ng benefit yung Rockwell resident kasi magkakaroon ng direct access going to Nuvali. So, from Nuvali commercial area and same to Nuvali naman na magkakaroon tayo ng direct access going to Rockwell for Nuvali resident. So, look like win-win situation for both developers naman po. So, welcome to Nuvali South. Yan pong nakikita po ninyo, tumbok, yan po yung gagawing alfresco mall which is 10 hectares in size. Ang gagawin naman po dito is more on exclusive mall naman po siya. And this is 360 view ng buong Nuvali. Right side, the Everest Academy. This is Catholic International School na nag-o-offer ng pre-kinder up to grade 12 po. And here naman po, in my left side, the Miriam College. As of now, same sila na offer kay Everest Academy, which is pre-kinder up to grade 12. And sabi po nila, magkakaroon din po tayo na expansion for the college building. So, andito tayo ngayon sa one of our schools inside Nuvali, which is Miriam College Nuvali. So, mostly of my clients ang tinatanong, Gail, saan ba located to si Crisela? Or ano ba ang landmark papunta sa project natin na to? Crisela is located at the south of Nuvali under two barangays, La Huerta and Hornalan in Calamba City, Laguna. The main access from Nuvali Boulevard going to Diversity Avenue on your left side is where exactly I am, the Miriam College. So straight ahead lang po tayo where exactly located the newest project, the Crisela Estate Nuvali. This property is one of our highest elevation from the entire Avida project, from 199 meters to 219 meters above sea level. Ganun po kataas yung project natin. And this is low density unit lang po. Imagine, 401 units from the entire Crisela, only 59 units is allocated for the house and lot, and 342 units for the lot only. For the lot area, ang available lots natin is starting 137 square meter to 246 square meter. You may choose corner lot, inner lot, or adjacent lot kung malalaking cuts ng unit. Or, for the design naman, you can make your own design as long as modern, contemporary, and earth color. And for the construction naman, wala po tayong time frame sa pagpapatayo ng bahay. As long as you have a piece of land here in Nuvali, time to time nag-a-appreciate po yung value natin dito. For the house and lot naman, we have two model units, which is Erin. This is Erin. This is 3 bedrooms and 2 toilets and bath po. And we have 2 carports. The floor area that's around 95 square meter. This is our Solea model unit po. So this is 4 bedroom and 3 toilets and bath po. So we have 2 carports and the floor area that's around 110 square meter. So this is our house and lot package. So mostly our clients, ang kumukuha dito is mga OFW kasi mostly sa kanila wala nang time para magpa-construct ng bahay and gusto nila pag umuwi sila may mga naka-ready na.
So if you want to know more about this property, you can call me at 0998-293-3881 or you can reach out through my Facebook or YouTube account, The Avida Realtor. Before we end, let me share to you that anyone can promise a community development, but not all can deliver. This is Nuvali, this is Ayala Land, and this is Gail Trinidad, your Avida Realtor, presenting you Nuvali Property.